The finally block in programming ensures that crucial cleanup code runs, regardless of whether an exception is thrown. It maintains system stability by executing essential operations like closing files or releasing resources, even if errors occur. Mastering the finally block is vital for writing robust, error-resilient code. Exceptions are runtime events that disrupt program execution. They occur when unexpected conditions arise, such as division by zero, null pointer references, or file not found errors. Proper exception handling is crucial to prevent abrupt program crashes, ensuring data integrity and user satisfaction. Exceptions are runtime events disrupting normal program flow, signaling errors like division by zero, null pointer references, file not found, or network failures. Unhandled exceptions can cause abrupt program crashes, leading to user frustration and potential data loss. Proper handling is crucial to maintain program stability and integrity. Handling exceptions ensures program stability by maintaining smooth operations and delivering consistent user experiences. It protects resources, preventing memory leaks and file handle exhaustion. Additionally, it allows for graceful recovery, enabling intelligent error handling, comprehensive logging, and meaningful error messages, which are crucial for debugging and effective user communication. The try-catch finally structure is essential in modern programming for robust exception handling. The try block contains code that might throw exceptions, while the catch block handles these exceptions, ensuring program stability. The finally block executes code regardless of exceptions, often used for resource cleanup, maintaining system integrity and reliability. The try block is crucial for executing risky code. It monitors for runtime exceptions, transferring control if one occurs. This block can contain any valid program statements, ensuring operations with potential failure points are managed effectively. When an exception arises, execution shifts to the corresponding catch or finally block, maintaining program stability. Catch blocks allow handling specific exceptions, enabling precise error management. Use multiple catch blocks to address various exception types with tailored recovery logic. For instance, catching arithmetic exception can prevent division by zero, while null pointer exception handling addresses null values. This approach ensures robust error recovery, logging, and user notifications, enhancing program reliability and user experience. The finally block provides a critical guarantee by executing regardless of exceptions, catch blocks, or return statements. It ensures cleanup code runs, preventing resource leaks and maintaining system health. By releasing resources like files and database connections, it prevents deadlocks and maintains consistent program state through restoration and finalization logic. The execution flow in exception handling involves three key blocks: try, catch, and finally. The try block executes the primary code, while the catch block handles exceptions if they occur. Regardless of the outcome, the finally block always executes, ensuring cleanup and maintaining system integrity, even with uncaught exceptions or early returns. In real-world coding, the finally block is crucial for resource management. It ensures cleanup actions, like closing files, occur regardless of success or failure in the try block. This prevents resource leaks and maintains system stability, as demonstrated in Java's file handling, where finally guarantees file closure, avoiding file handle exhaustion. In this Java example, a file is opened for reading within a try block. Exceptions like file not found exception and IO exception are caught. The finally block ensures the file is closed properly, preventing resource leaks and file handle exhaustion, regardless of the operation's success or failure,